Hello guys. Dito nga pala maglalaro tayo ng Elmwood Trail. Okay guys. Na sabi nila maganda raw 'to. Kaya tignan natin guys. New game tayo, new game. New game. Okay, unknown. Hello Adam daw. Oh ba yan, Adam? Oo nga yan, Adam. Okay. Detective Adam pala to eh. Famous Detective Adam Lane. How does concern you? How does that concern you, bro? Sadly, the one cases you are getting must be lost bikes. I'm not sure who is this. Sino ba to, Gre? Gre. Mga Gre. Sino ba to, Gre? Iko. Sino ba to? Okay, just someone who can help get back on track. What do you remember? Okay, to be honest, I didn't ask. Yeah, I didn't ask. I have a plan. Okay, so redeem yourself. Overcome your past. What past? Di ko alam, Gar. Di ko alam sinasabi nito. Pasensya na nga pala pre, yung Tagalog ko. Waray kasi ang this is an 18-year-old girl, Zoe, disappeared 3 weeks ago. Please mark it I believe that. Okay, simple. Okay, so no evidence is not something I can work on. Yeah, dito tayo, Gar. Okay. Tingin ko si Zoe yung natin. Hinahanap. Pero, wala na yun eh. Close na daw eh. Close na case na. What makes you go? I don't think you have a choice. Is that a threat? Bro, tinatakot ako, Gar. Tinatakot ako, pre. Wait lang. Focus muna tayo. Gusto na yung Victoria ring ba? Huh? Victoria. I don't know. Sino yun, pre? Gago. Lah. Serious silence tells me you don't. Wait. Anong nangyari? Bakit ganito ang pinagpipilian ko? Parang guilty ako. Coming back to the point, Zoe's disappearance. Okay, you're going to solve it. Wait, what? No? Sige. Dito tayo. Okay. To be honest, di ko pa alam, pre. Di ko pa alam ang nangyayari. Yes, now, on blackmail me like that. I would need to if you do as I say. Okay. This is crazy, ate. Yeah, bro. Wait lang, pre. You gave me what I want exchange for you there to get a secret. May sikreto. Yung pala yung sikreto natin. Reason for dating all this, doing all this, but why this? Yeah, dito tayo sa una. Why, bruh? Unknown pala siya, no? Mysterious guy. Let's start. Okay. Offline agad. Grabe yung Gar. Jim. Si Jim. number? Smith Amanda. Si Amanda. Ito pala yung natin. Sino ba to? Asawa ko ba to? Uy. Settings. Okay. Ang ganda na itong larong to Hey Adam, are you okay? Hey, I need to talk to you. Dito tayo. Sure, what's up? I remember, basic girl. I believe we can solve it. Dito tayo. I believe this. I don't really not thinking about case solving. Dito. Tagal. Kailangan natin gather some dito ba? Sige, dito. We need to gather some ideas. Okay. I'm a detective, bros. Dito. Sige. Maybe. You had a change of mind. These all times na sinungaling ba tayo, guys? Magsinungaling tayo. Adam doesn't yourself decent evidence this case. Never know. Yeah, pero kailangan ko para itago ang aking sikreto. Para maitago ang aking sikreto, kailangan ko gawin ito. I guess I will prove you wrong then. Kada video nga pala, guys, 10 minutes lang tayo, okay? Di kaya ng phone. Kailangan 10 minutes lang. Okay. Dito. Since when did I start filming? It's been 3 weeks. Tagal na. Yeah, kailangan. I don't know what to say to you. Okay. Offline agad, pre. Grabe. A new item has arrived. Ay, gago. Padala na yung unknown guy. Don't forget. Okay, di ko alam iyan. Anak ko ata to. Kape muna, guys. Ito na. Ito pala si Zoe, 18 number. Okay. Last seen her father leaving to visit her place. Lily, her friend. Whereabouts? Leonard family. Zoe, Joseph, Emma, Zach. Okay. Mag-e-end na tao, guys. Okay, pero patuloy natin na. Okay, Zoe, Leonard. Sorry nga pala, guys, maingay. Unknown guy, ito na naman sa pare. Dito. I guess anyone in town could have gotten me all this. You're a detective, Adam. Yes, I am. No evidence could be very handy to you. I am surprised to see such a famous detective giving up on a case every second. Thanks for that. Yeah, it didn't help. It didn't help that much. Gagong lakas. Kanta. I have another gift for you. But be careful. You can share with anyone. I. Just to go. Okay. Gago, nandito agad. Ano kayang gamit na app niyan?